Hey everyone out there in YouTube, my name's Johnny D and this is Rust and Revs. I'm starting a new YouTube channel on building motorcycles and probably some cars and stuff like that. I'm gonna have two builds building off at the same time. I'm gonna be doing a 1972 CB 450. We're gonna do this in a cafe style racer. And I'm also gonna be building simultaneously this beautiful 1984 Shovelhead Ultra Lowrider. I'm thinking about doing a drop seat and kickstart, maybe a suicide shifter. This one is totally up to you guys. Doing this whole channel and this build, you guys leave your comments. We're gonna put up options on the channel for you guys to vote on. So from front ends to drop seat to paint color, everything is going to be voted on by you guys. So make sure you subscribe to get the notifications. This one's going to be a complete channel build.